Let's learn real English. Naturally, confidently, together.
Cindy, I almost fell asleep on the train yesterday.
Really? Were you that tired?
Yeah, I closed my eyes for 1 minute.
And then?
I missed my stop.
No way!
I had to take the next train back.
That's actually funny.
It wasn't funny at the time.
I can imagine.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel.
Today, we're talking about something we all do.
What do you usually do after work?
That's a great question.
So, what's the first thing you do when you get home?
I change into comfortable clothes.
Me too. That's the best feeling.
Then I wash my hands and make a cup of coffee.
Coffee after work? Really?
Just 1 cup. It helps me relax.
I usually drink water first. I'm always thirsty.
That makes sense.
After that, I sit on the sofa for a few minutes.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but not every day.
What do you usually watch?
Travel videos or cooking shows.
I love cooking shows too.
They always make me hungry.
Me too.
Do you cook dinner every evening?
Most days, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dinner?
Grilled chicken and vegetables.
Sounds delicious. I usually cook something simple.
Like what?
Fried rice or noodles.
Those are good choices.
Sometimes I'm too tired to cook.
What do you do then?
I order takeout,
What's your favorite?
pizza, every single time.
I knew you were going to say pizza.
It's hard to say no.
Can I ask you something?
Sure,
Do you exercise after work?
2 or 3 times a week.
What do you do?
I go to the gym or I take a walk,
Walking is very relaxing.
especially in the evening.
I agree. The weather feels nice.
Do you check your phone a lot after work?
Not really. I try to stay away from it.
Why?
Because I want to relax, not think about work anymore.
That's a good idea. I should try that.
You might enjoy your evenings more.
I think so.
What's one thing that helps you relax?
Listening to music. It always makes me feel better.
Music helps me too, especially soft music.
Everyone has a different way to relax.
That's true.
Everyone listening, what do you usually do after work?
Do you cook, exercise, watch TV, or just relax?
Tell us your answer in English.
We'd love to read your comments.
I usually listen to music on my way home. It helps me relax.
Me too. What kind of music do you like?
Mostly soft music. Sometimes I listen to podcasts.
That sounds nice. Music really changes my mood after work.
Exactly. When I get home, the first thing I do is change my clothes.
Same here. Comfortable clothes make a big difference.
Then I wash my hands and face. I feel fresh again.
I do the same thing. After that, I usually make myself a drink.
Coffee?
Sometimes. But after work, I usually drink tea.
Really? Why tea?
Because it helps me slow down. Coffee gives me too much energy.
That makes sense. I usually drink cold water first. Then I decide what to have for dinner.
Do you cook every evening?
Most of the time, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What's your favorite dinner after work?
Grilled chicken, rice, and vegetables. It's easy to make.
That sounds healthy. I usually make pasta or soup if I'm tired.
Do you ever stop at the supermarket before going home?
Yes, if I need groceries for dinner.
What do you usually buy?
Fresh vegetables, milk, eggs, and fruit.
I usually buy chicken, rice, and bottled water.
Do you cook right away?
Not immediately. I sit down and rest for about 15 minutes first.
That's a good idea. Everyone needs a short break after work.
Exactly. If I start cooking right away, I feel even more tired.
I'm the same. A short rest really helps.
After dinner, I like taking a short walk.
Really? How long?
About 20 minutes. It helps me relax before bedtime.
I love evening walks too. The weather is usually cooler.
And everything feels quieter.
That's one of my favorite times of the day.
Mine too. It's peaceful.
Everyone has a different after-work routine.
That's true. Some people exercise. Some people cook. Some people simply relax.
And there's no right or wrong way.
Exactly. The important thing is finding time to enjoy your evening. After my walk, I usually take a shower.
Me too. A warm shower feels wonderful after a long day.
It helps me forget about work.
Exactly. When I finish my shower, I feel completely relaxed.
What do you usually do after that?
I sit on the sofa. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I read a book.
I usually watch YouTube.
What kind of videos do you like?
Travel videos, cooking videos, and funny videos.
I enjoy travel videos too. They make me want to take a vacation.
Me too. Sometimes I even start planning a trip.
Really?
Yes. Even if I don't go anywhere, it's still fun to dream.
That's true. Do you ever study English after work?
Yes. About 30 minutes every evening.
That's a great habit. What do you usually do?
I listen to English podcasts, and I practice speaking out loud.
That's exactly how you improve.
I think listening every day really helps.
I agree. Even a little practice is better than nothing.
Do you use your phone a lot after work?
Not too much. I try to spend less time on social media.
Same here. I don't want to think about my phone all evening.
I understand. It's nice to enjoy some quiet time.
Do you ever call your family after work?
Yes, I usually call my parents once or twice a week.
That's nice. I often send my family a message after dinner.
I'm sure they appreciate it.
I think they do.
Before going to bed, do you prepare for the next day?
Yes, I choose my clothes and pack everything I need.
I do that too. It makes my morning much easier.
Exactly. I don't have to rush.
A good evening routine makes the next day better.
I couldn't agree more.
Taking time to relax after work is really important.
Yes, it helps us feel happy, healthy, and ready for a new day. And one more thing. I always try to go to bed before 11.
Really? That's a great habit.
I learned that sleeping early helps me feel better the next day.
I completely agree. A good night's sleep makes a big difference.
Do you usually prepare your lunch for work?
Sometimes, if I have time in the evening.
That's smart. It saves time in the morning.
Exactly. And I don't have to rush.
I also check tomorrow's weather,
Really? Why?
so I know what to wear and whether I need an umbrella.
That's a good idea. I should start doing that.
It only takes a minute, but it makes the next morning easier.
I like simple routines like that.
Me too. Small habits can make a big difference.
After a busy day at work, we all need time to relax.
Whether it's cooking, going for a walk, watching a movie, reading a book, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of tea.
The important thing is finding something that makes you happy.
Exactly. Everyone has a different after-work routine.
And that's perfectly okay.
Before we finish, we have one last question for everyone.
What do you usually do after work?
Do you exercise, cook dinner, watch YouTube, study English, or just relax?
Tell us your evening routine in English.
We'd love to read your comments.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day.
Remember, the more real conversations you listen to, the more naturally you'll speak English. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next episode.